Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was. But I think we're talking pretty old events today. Ananias becomes high priest in Judea. Never heard of Ananias. Publius Ostorius Scapula. I mean, this really sounds Roman, but it says he replaces Aulus Plautius. Aulus Plautius? As governor of Britain. Now, the Romans invaded Britain 1st century AD, I believe. So if this is Roman, then that means it's definitely in the ADs. So that does narrow it down. And then the bottom clue, the Forum Hadriani. Interesting. So does that mean Hadrian would have been emperor of Rome at the time? Or would this have just been named after him, so it would have been any time after Hadrian? Not sure. But Fossa Corbulonis, I mean, this really feels like it's still during Roman era, which makes me think only 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 centuries after AD. So yeah, based on the middle clue, I think it's not the 1st century, but based on all of the clues, it feels like it's going to be one of the first 3 or 4 centuries AD. So yeah, long story short, let's just go 375. Why not? Oh, that's why not. We are miles off. Okay, let's try a touch later. That's wrong as well. I don't think it can be after 975. So I think that means it's going to be between 100 and 175. Because it's got to be earlier than 175, based on the first guess, if it is earlier. Let's just go for a nice round 100. Oh, it is closer. That's very annoying. Okay, so it's at least 40 years off still, but it can't be 40 years earlier because then the Romans wouldn't have been in Britain, I believe. So that means it's got to be between 141 and 175. Let's just try 145. Oh no. So it is going to be earlier, so everything I've said is wrong. Maybe... Oh, I was thinking that the Romans invaded in 85 AD, but maybe it was 58, in which case it still could be 58 AD, or 59. Or it could just be earlier. Let's just try a nice round 0, why not? Let's see where we're going. I'm still 41 years off. I'm becoming more and more confident that it's going to be 58 or 59, you know. Let's try 59. Oh, it's in that middle period, so I'm still at least 11 years off. So that means it's 48. It's between 41 and 48, based on my last 2 guesses. So it's before the Roman invasion of Britain, isn't it? I'm so confused by these clues. I thought it had to be after that period of time. The one time I actually knew something, or I thought I knew something, and it's turned out not to be helpful. Oh dear. I suppose we'll go for a 45. Because, yeah, it's 41 to 48, isn't it? This is the only multiple of 5 left. Oh, it's going to be 43, 4, 6 or 7. We'll try 44. Oh, it's 47. So that was a tricky one. 328 years off on my first guess. That's not brilliant, is it? Even by my standards, that's poor. That's so frustrating because I knew it was going to be in that Roman era. Or I thought I knew. In the end, I just needed one extra guess because I'd ruled that everything, yeah, based on my last guess, given that that was at least 3 years off, it had to be 47. So really, I'm annoyed about going for 775. I knew it wasn't that late. I should have just stuck with my guns and focused on the Roman era. That's annoying. It is a Yeardle failure today. That's a bit of a contrast to yesterday's. But that's how it goes. Let me know if you did better. I'm sure you did. Thank you for watching, and bye.